Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest in exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
We are Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com. Now, if you have a pickup truck, you've probably experienced the same frustration I have. If you're doing mulch or gravel, you find that often gets stuck between the tailgate and the bed of the truck, making it impossible to close. Well, Tailgate Defender is a solution to that problem. It makes sure that stuff doesn't get in between your tailgate and your bed of your truck. Now, Tim, how does the Tailgate Defender work?
Well, it's designed to cover the gap. It hinges backwards up against the tailgate when the tailgate's shut, and when the tailgate's open, it's got a smooth transition and a dishpan effect that's literally molded to fit into the bed.
Now, it's a great design. What made you think of it?
I was doing mulch myself and rock myself, and I was hauling it with the tailgate shut, and I couldn't even open the tailgate. When I opened the tailgate, all the rocks fell into the crack and it jammed. So I said, this is crazy, I gotta fix this.
And this is the part where we disclose your background. You're an engineer by trade, both in the automotive industry and the aerospace industry as well. So naturally, you went to work at the drawing board here and you came up with this. Now, how's it made?
It's molded out of nylon with fiberglass reinforced fiber. And it's got stainless steel pins, it's got stainless steel screws, and it's self-locking so that when the tailgate's open, it's locked and you can drive equipment over it, your motorcycles, four-wheelers, wheelbarrows, whatever you want, and it stays in one shape.
Now, as a designer, you know, it was important to make this functional, but also to make it durable. What kind of challenge was that for you?
Oh, absolutely. I made sure the materials were strong enough and thick enough, and it functions just for the Ford F-150. It works just for the F-150 because it's custom fit for the bed and the hinge center lines. It has to work with where they are designed. So when it actually shuts, it's designed to fold up against the tailgate.
And I know other folks are clamoring for one for their truck, but the F-150 is the most popular vehicle in America, not just the most popular truck. So you're covering a huge audience. And what model years are we talking about?
Well, from 2015 to present, the bed may have been steel at one time, and now it's aluminum, but the same molds, the same shape, and everything still fits. There's different design tailgates, so some of the newer tailgates you won't need the panel.
This panel here.
Yeah, there's a work surface that's made out of plastic. You basically just attach it right to the plastic. But if you have the standard tailgate like this, we offer a fill-in panel that matches the texture of the Tailgate Defender.
Now, everyone's asking, do I have to drill on my truck? What's the installation like?
No, you don't have to drill. That was a big issue. I don't want to drill anything in my truck either. So on this one, I used a Dynaflex 230, which is just silicone. You can get it anywhere. These screws that you see here are just in case you decide you install the molding, the tailgate or the bed molding, and you want to take the tailgate off. You just take those screws off and the tailgate still comes off.
Piece of cake.
But it takes about 15 minutes to install.
Once I've installed the Tailgate Defender, what does this enable me to do, as we see it here?
Well, when you haul your materials, the way you see it right now, you leave the tailgate open, you fill in as much dirt, gravel, mulch, whatever you want, haul it to your destination where you want to unload it. You unload all your materials, sweep it, and then you shut the tailgate.
And coming soon, we've got the
coming
hinge.
Soon.
We've got the hinge cover, so grab that, and we'll see how that works here. This is the prototype, but this is coming to a retailer near you, and this goes on. This is very cool. Now, this enables you to actually close the tailgate.
Yes, and you could literally haul with your bed completely full of just about any material.
Gotcha. So you close it like that, and then you're able to grab that there. And we'll fold it up just like normal, and you can fill your bed up to the top just like you would without a tailgate defender.
Yeah,
that's great.
Like if you're going to haul lava rock or something that's really light,
yeah,
you want a full load.
Perfect.
But if you're going to haul just regular gravel, pretty heavy. I fill this up and overload the springs before I even get close to the tailgate defender. So I could actually shut the tailgate with regular gravel.
Now, I mentioned the hinge cover is coming soon. You've got the prototype there for the pin that holds it in. How does that install?
Well, it literally you have a flush head screw and a barrel nut. So you install the barrel nut with the blade side showing, so you know where the hole's directed. Install this onto Tailgate Defender.
You can turn a bolt, you can install this. Now, Tim, you've talked about the materials, but you've been modest about the design. What makes the design of the Tailgate Defender unique, and what makes it so strong?
Well, it's made out of nylon with reinforced fiberglass, and it is a triple pin, and it's got a self-locking device where you can literally drive over with your motorcycles, your four-wheelers, and it won't collapse.
This thing is incredibly strong. It's going to last a long, long time. It's engineered to fold, designed to hold, and designed for the working man, and it's a lot less expensive than you think. You can find it at tailgatedefender.com. You need one of these. Go get one. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by Dragonfire Tools.com, so don't go anywhere.